He drives 6 posts into the ground in his backyard for one genius reason. Many parents buy toys for their kids to play with outside. We buy bikes, swimming pools, balls, and swing sets. As our children get older, what do we do with the toys we don't use anymore? Some of the toys can be sold at a garage sale for someone else to use. Once you remove that old rusty swing set, your yard may seem empty. The space may cry out to you for something else. Instructable DIY-er hodgepodgerama had this very dilemma. His kids had outgrown the swing set, and he took it down. The empty space where the swing set used to stand just needed something else. So he came up with the fantastic idea of a hanging porch swing fire pit. He sold the old swing set, one he had made for his children when they were younger, to finance his idea. Here are the photos he took during the phases of construction. First, he found the perfect hanging chairs and ordered them. Then he began construction with a wooden hexagon. Using a power auger, he dug 6 holes into the ground and positioned the 6 support posts. He attached the hexagon to the top. Once everything was level and braced with wood supports, to keep everything level, he used gravel and concrete to fill the holes surrounding the posts. Once the concrete had dried, he sanded the posts and stained them. A fire pit was added and new grass was planted. With or without a fire, this is a perfect place for his family to relax, swing, or do homework. Share away, people.